Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to rotate material. As example, I will create 3D objects. You can draw rectangle and then use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now I will insert material. You can go to material and I will use this material. You can apply into the face of the object. Now if you want to rotate this material, you can select the face of material. Right click, go to texture and then choose position. So it will be show for the position in here. You can move by using these tools. You can click, hold, and I will move into here for the center point. To rotate, you can click at this icon, hold, and then you can rotate the texture. Also, you can scale the texture. If you done, you can click outside. Okay, to rotate again, you can right click, go to texture, and then choose the position. Okay, that's it for a basic SketchUp tutorial, how to rotate material. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.